Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful Monday morning. What should we do today besides destroy the backyard? It's Monday, which means we have to say today's gonna be, or this week's gonna be a great week. It's gonna be a great week.
Hold on. Mine, oops, I got my AirPods in. Mine, I make mine a little bit tastier, richer in flavor because I use chicken broth instead of just plain water.
Oh, I see.
All right, it just gives it another depth of flavor in my opinion.
I agree.
How do you agree? Well,
because I've eaten it.
And I'm just gonna start this off.
So it takes all day?
Sometimes, the main thing is you don't use old beans. Old beans will stay firm and harder and they take forever to cook. You're in my way, but other than that. I always put celery, onions, garlic, and I use red bell pepper. Like I said, I put a lot of meat in my beans. Smoked boneless pork shoulder. I'm gonna cube it up, and then, I hear baby. I use smoked sausage, and I use Polish kielbasa. Zatarain's smoked sausage, or you can use andouille. And then this is the mixture of the sausages.
She always is standing on her head. Yeah.
Add some bay leaf. I have 3 bay leaves. Dry thyme.
Oh, we're doing a hand measure.
Yeah. What do you think about it? Teaspoon?
No, tablespoon.
That's not a tablespoon.
Okay.
All right, and I just kind of crush them up.
And,
okay, this is all the seasonings. And I use this little guy.
I love that thing you got for me for Christmas.
And I put about 6 of this size garlic clove. Like I said before, I like seasonings, so this probably is gonna look way too much for the normal cooking crowd. We're going with it.
And it cooks down a lot.
Yeah. Now what I do sometimes, if I think I need more liquid, I make that better than bouillon.
Oh yeah. We're eating good tonight, girl. Say it. Babe, can you see the girl? She's been trying to climb out of her chair. Is she okay?
See how creamy they got?
Yeah. I was just too lazy to brush my hair or do anything today, and I just like wanted to put on a giant t-shirt, so that is what we did. I just got so excited. I came up with a new tray design. Obviously we've been doing the Calcutta, the teeny tiny, medium, which is our OG, and jumbo. So we have petite, OG, and jumbo, aka small, medium, and large. And I came up with a new design like probably like a month or so ago. I got inspo from like someone's shower. So I Frankensteined it with my marble supplier, and they just sent me the final sample. It's so good. I just showed Matt. Hi, you wanna see? Is that cool?
I love them.
You do?
Yeah, they're sweet. They're really cool. I honestly kind of like them better than the first one.
Really?
Yeah.
He said he thinks he likes it better than the original, which I know it's like obviously subjective. He said it feels more gender neutral to him, and I think I agree. Like it looks good over on his nightstand. I want to show you guys so bad, but I just like don't want to like totally show it yet. I just messaged my stamp of approval, so hopefully it'll just be a couple months. Finished red beans and rice, had a really productive day. No babysitter today, but still got tons and tons of editing done, computer work, because the girl did really good naps today. And I was editing my vlog from last week this morning, which I have to stop doing. I need to like edit on Sundays or something so that it's up earlier for you guys. Why did I just have a feeling that like Matt, I just got in trouble for talking because the girl can hear me. I'll tell you guys later. Happy Tuesday. We decided to get after it because I haven't worked out in 2 months. So I looked up the schedule last night and I was like, we're doing it. And honestly, fabulous way to start the morning. What I was gonna say in last night's clip, so many things, is the girl's hanging on the bed. She is like super like attached to me, how I said last week. So she heard my voice last night, so I had to stop vlogging. I was editing yesterday's vlog and I was like, oh my gosh, I am like I need to like change my attitude because I just do. Like I feel like I could be a little bit more easygoing, just even for like my own self and my energy. And I don't know how much that came through to you guys, but I felt like I was just kind of like trying so hard, but also kind of like this all last week. So I think going to the gym helped a lot, and it's nice because they have a little daycare there. So while I'm in the class, the girl gets watched. Of course, she was like screaming, crying because she's older now and she like did not want to be there. Be careful. She's super happy to be back with her mama. She thinks this is like FaceTime. You know, we love a little adventure, and obviously the gym counts as a little adventure, but I feel like that was probably more like traumatizing for her than anything. Oh yeah, get the remote. So I think we're gonna do a little shopping because I thought it would be fun to like see what's going on in all the stores. You guys know I love putting together my like what I want posts on like LTK and ShopMy and my website. So I'm not sure if everything's gonna be like on sale still from summer or if there's gonna be fall stuff out, but I think it'd be cool to see if there is pre-fall stuff at the mall. See, do like some like trend reporting, find some good stuff. I also obviously have a lot of work to do on the actual clothing line, but there's not much I can do today. Maybe we'll even stop and get lunch. What do you think, Rinky Tink? Made it to the mall. It's hot, but this is like a workout, fresh air. There's also Barnes & Noble we can stop at, lunch. Pretty genius idea. Let's see if there's anything good. Camera's dying. I'm wearing this new little negative underwear. I've wanted it for so long. It's like this whipped cotton. It's so soft, and I wouldn't usually get the long sleeve, but I've just been like eyeing it for so long, and I thought it was so cute, and I got the matching shorts as well. We had a really good day, but I didn't really like factor in nap time. So between like going to the gym, coming home, going back out, whatever, like she basically didn't nap today. Cool, because I got her down super fast just now. Matt's playing volleyball tonight, so the world's kind of my oyster. I keep reading my book. I'm reading Watching You by Lisa Jewell. So far so good, 23%. And then I read Local Woman Missing by Mary Kubica. So freaking good. I loved it. And then I'll probably read The Woman by Kristen Hanna, but we shall see. So I'm gonna dive into this because there's really nothing to watch on TV these days till fall TV comes back. So we're reading. Good morning. It's already 10 a.m. We actually slept till like 8 a.m. So like round of applause for the girl. I got so lucky this morning because Matt went to work late. I just dropped him off at the train. So he took the girl on a walk this morning, and then Crumb fed her breakfast. I mean, talk about built-in childcare. So I've gotten so much done this AM. I mean, like not like that much, but like more than usual, okay? I had a Bloom energy drink this morning, and I'm feeling on top of the world. Like I almost like don't know what to do with myself. And the reason why I wanted to try it instead of coffee is because obviously coffee doesn't have like naturally occurring like L-theanine in it and like green tea and stuff, and that's like what's in the Bloom thing. So you kind of like don't have that like jittery crash, and I feel like I am feeling that like goodness, so that's good. Matt asked if we wanted to like go downtown and like go out on the boat and stuff today because his friends have a boat downtown, and I was just like, after yesterday being out all day, messing up nap time, I'm a routine girly, like, and it's a Wednesday, like I have work to do. So I was like, it's just gonna be too overwhelming. And then he has dinner tonight, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna like do all that and then have to do nighttime routine by myself. We are just gonna be routine girlies today. We'll do something fun with the girl after nap time, and I want to figure out what I'm doing for her birthday. Her birthday's in just a few weeks. I know the theme, so I'll show you guys when I get home, but I need to like actually place an Amazon order and like start doing stuff so that I'm not like running around last minute doing things. I wanna, I don't know, be smart and proactive and just like actually have everything ready to go so I'm not doing everything the week before. Let's see if the girl like allows it, you know, because ultimately we're not in control of our lives. She is. I have just very demure, very mindful stuck in my head. Like the brain rot that goes on up here is crazy. Okay, this is crooked, but I'm seeing the this is even cute. I had this, oh, that's a binky. Like, no. Maybe it's like the stripes. It's just, it's a no. It's a no. Really quick book haul. You guys know I'm a Kindle reader, but I actually have regular books to show you and then baby books. That's mommy's. I placed an order to restock these, by the way. So these will be back in stock hopefully soon. Look at the book. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. So for these books, they're like really small and I can hold them with one hand. Are you a cow? Doggies. This is the only word she can say is dog. She's obsessed with dogs. Don't touch the tripod. This is going really well. Ooh, baby, baby. Then we got this one for Mimi because they read it at story time last week and it was really cute and funny. So not that she was listening, but I was. So we got that. These three are for me specifically for like bedtime so that I can one hand read, one hand rock. And then we got this as just a little surprise for daddy who's been working hard. My daddy's amazing. And it was just cute. Okay, so now she's standing using the tripod as, okay. You can't walk with the tripod doesn't move. Anyway, I was at my friend's place the other weekend. She was like, oh my god, you have to check stuff out from my library, like as a cute little joke, but she was like, these you have to read. She said, this is the only one left by Riley Sager. I feel like I've read something by her, but I'm not sure what. She said, this summer will be different, Carly Fortune. I've definitely read something by her as well. I read Meet Me at the Lake, I think, and I really liked it. She hadn't read this one yet, but apparently it's supposed to be good. Karen Slaughter, Girl Forgotten. Oh my god, so silly. These three are on my list. They're not from Barnes & Noble, but obviously we can pretend because we were just there. And we got these ones. Then we also stopped at Whole Foods and I've been doing a lot of research on L-theanine, which I kind of like mentioned earlier today for like relaxation and like calming down. I was gonna order the Thorne Health one, but it was like $60 and this one was like half the price. So I got this from Whole Foods. That's mommy's water bottle. Uh-oh, it's empty. Nothing like day old electrolytes. Let's show them what we got for your birthday party. Last thing before she loses it. I'll show you guys like birthday party inspo, but I got these from Michaels. I just feel like I need these for everything and forever because her theme is berry first birthday. And then I just got kind of like a rustic yarn, whatever, and then this checkered. So this is like honestly her birthday theme, but I figured I would use it for other stuff as well. You know, I always have to have all of my gifting and hosting stuff like on lock. Then I like made, I was like on Etsy, on Amazon, on everything, like full Olive's birthday, thank you gifts, thank you cards, cake, other desserts, tablecloth, flowers, photo banner, first birthday book to sign, like, oh my gosh. But like, I love this shit, so ain't no thing. Berry first birthday. We've made it this far without an injury, so I think we should quit while we're ahead. Let's stop climbing the tripod and we'll go to your room. Mama, can you say mama's name? Are we matching? Are we matching? Be careful. We're matching, we're matching. Say, we're so cute. We're so cute. Good morning, happy Thursday. This week I've been all over the place with the days of the week. I told the Pilates instructor last night. Yeah, that's right, I went to Pilates last night. I was like, yeah, like I was at Pilates on Tuesday. Wait, is it Tuesday? I don't know what day it is. And she was just looking at me like, are you okay? I was like, no. We're going downtown and I realized that the reason we're going downtown is stupid. I could have just had Matt do this for me while he's downtown for work. And I would have made him do it, but he doesn't have the car. So whatever, I'll go do it. I'll show some face, show some love, beg my dentist to be done with Invisalign. I could have been done with Invisalign by now. However, with summer traveling, we just like I wasn't able to go pick up my trays because they're downtown. I digress. But I only have a few weeks left and then we're gonna decide what to do with these teethers. I have a lot of chips. I have a lot, like there's just like a lot with my teeth and I trust Dr. Hoffman with my entire life. My mom even has gone and seen him now and he's redoing her entire set of veneers. My best friend, fully separate from me, got her teeth done by him and was like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. So like he's just the best. It is rainy and gross and I simply like just want to go downtown, get into the dentist, come back and get shit done because the girl is with her grandma today and I have two hands, they're just hands, all day long to myself. So I'm like, I don't want to dilly-dally around in the city. Like, let's go, come back and get shit done. Sweatshirt, sweatpants, I don't care. That's all she wrote, kids. That's what she's wearing today. And honestly, I love it. I love it. But don't worry, it could be better. light tease of upcoming launching of apparel. That was what that wink was. Okay, so this is, you guys know, like kind of what I use for everything, but it is very large, so I'm on the hunt for like a perfect medium-sized tote bag because I feel like this is like an extra large. Just got this one in from Quince. How freaking cute is it? It's freaking focus, I swear to God. The only thing, it might not be like the perfect medium. I feel like it might be like between a small and a medium because it's so, you can see it's like thin, narrow, so cute. And I honestly feel like, especially if I wanted to take my computer, I feel like my computer is just gonna slide right in here. Usually, you guys know I have like toiletry stuff in here, but since we're just like running, and there's like pockets in here, you never know when you need your Kindle too. So you throw that sucker in there. And then I think like my wallet and other stuff is in the car. So I feel like this is the vibe instead of my giant bag. Just a little cutesy. Very demure, very cutesy. See how it's still like narrow though? Still really cute. This would be perfect like laptop everything bag, but I just like don't think I need my laptop, so I'm not gonna bring it. Now we go to the city. I wanted to get out of the car so bad because that took me from like 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. just to go to the dentist, but like that's how much I love my dentist. And I take my oral health very seriously. So I like did some things really quickly on the computer that I knew I needed to do from like people pinging me while I was in the car, and then I just felt like headache, overwhelmed, and so I was like, what if I just like whipped out my Kindle for a moment and like actually just like, dare I say, tried to relax in the middle of a day. Crazy concept, couldn't do it. And I was like, here's a solution. Read while getting a pedicure because your nails are disgusting. Personal hygiene, and you have to do it. But you could also kind of like chill and like read your book. So that has now spiraled into doing something for work. So I just did like a whole, basically like virtual meeting to be able to ship off these samples. So like I gave notes basically on samples, filmed myself, packed it all up, gonna go take it to the post office. And then I just had to pick up prescription, nails, and I think that's it. Getting that done will make me feel like I like checked more things off the list because like I just can't, it's like I want to do nothing so bad, but I can't do nothing without having like accomplished things. So I think that will like suffice, you know? Happy Friday. Not sure what we're gonna get into today. Nonetheless, decided to dress up my little white tee with 2 necklaces. I didn't blow dry my hair last night, and I think Matt wants to go on a date night, which like doesn't bode well for my look. Him and Olive are on a walk, and I'm just wearing this like J. Crew linen t-shirt and white on white with my dirty ass sweatpants. Packing up this little brown bag. I look like shit, obsessed with these, but I felt so good the other day when I had one, and then yesterday I was like, well, sometimes I used to drink like 2 Celsiuses or something. Like, what if I just had another one because it's so yummy? No, too much anxiety, like dumb, did it to myself. So there's only a little bit left and then you're done for the day. Gonna go meet up with Matt and the girl, and I don't know what we're gonna do all day today. We shall see. Going out on the boat. Little Friday boat sesh with the fam. Here we go. Bye, my British.